Welcome to the School of Business at Francis Marion University. This short video walks you through the courses you need to take to complete your Bachelor's of Science in Healthcare Informatics and Healthcare Administration. Please use this worksheet to plan your schedule. Make sure you have this worksheet completed when you go to your advisor. In this video, we start with the general education requirements, then talk about the Healthcare Informatics major and the Healthcare Administration major, and how you can double major in them both. The general education requirement is 48 credit hours. It contains the following sections: Communications, 9 hours. Mathematics, 6 hours. Science, 12 hours. Humanities, 12 hours. And Social Sciences, 9 hours. Healthcare Informatics majors must take Economics 203 and 204. Healthcare Administration majors who are interested in double majoring in Healthcare Informatics should take Econ 203 and Sociology 201. Let's get started talking about the 9 hours required for communications. This contains Speech 101, English 101, then after taking English 101, you can take English 102. This is important to note that this sequence of English 101, then English 102 is mandatory before you can take English literature, which is also a humanities requirement. The math requirement is important for students to pay careful attention to. The math department decides where students are placed based on their SAT or ACT math scores. Students who need help to succeed in math are placed in Math 105 College Algebra 1 before they can take Math 111 College Algebra 2. Finally, once they finish both these courses, they can take Math 134 Probability and Statistics. This is a prerequisite for 2 of your HCI majors courses: Business 305 and Management 355. A few students with very high math scores are placed directly into Math 134 and can take Math 132 or Math 137 as their second math. Humanities requirements include one English literature course, which is English 250. Remember, you should have completed English 102 before you can take English 250. One history class, and you can select from 101, 102, 103, 104, or 105. This essentially is U.S. history before the Civil War, U.S. history after the Civil War, European history before the French Revolution, European history after the French Revolution, and world history. One introduction to art, music, or theater, which allows you to read about and appreciate these topics. Also, one humanities elective, which covers any of the 3 topics above, or philosophy or religious studies. The science requirement has 3 science classes, each one with a lab. All students have to take biology or life sciences with a lab. If you are at Francis Marion, choose Bio 103 or 104. If you are transferring a 3 credit hour biology class from another institution as Biology 105, you can take Bio 115, a 1 credit hour lab to complete this science requirement. All students must take 1 physical science. They can be chemistry, physics, or physical science. You have to do it as a 4-credit-hour course, 3 credit hours of theory, and 1 credit hour of lab. Finally, you can take a 4-credit-hour course in astronomy, biology, chemistry, physics, physical science, psychology 206, the theory, and psychology 216, the lab, or honors 280 through 289 for honor students. We strongly recommend that you take Psychology 206 and 216 because it is required prior to taking upper-level healthcare psychology courses. Social sciences require 3 courses of 3 hours each. Political science 101 or 103, which is U.S. Government or Introduction to Political Science. HCI majors should take Econ 203 and Sociology 201. HCA majors can take economics, geography, anthropology, sociology, or another political science for the other 2 social sciences class. It is, however, recommended that students take Economics 203, Introduction to Microeconomics, and Sociology 201 as part of the social sciences requirement. This allows HCA majors to double major in HCI without having to take any additional classes. We will first start with Bachelors of Science in Healthcare Administration, as many or all of the classes taken here are repeated in the Healthcare Informatics major. Please do not skip this slide even if you are a Healthcare Informatics major and not a Healthcare Administration major. Students take Psychology 206-216 as their science requirement, Political Science 101 or 103 as their social science requirement, and Sociology 201 as part of their social science requirement. Once that is completed, students should take IPHC 215, Introduction to Public Administration, IPHC 375, Sociology of Health and Medicine, IPHC 314, Health Psychology Behavioral Medicine, IPHC 301, Professional Role and Practice, IPHC 334, Research and Practice. They should take this in 1 semester, and then IPHC 445, Population Focused Care, IPHC 448, Healthcare Policy Development, IPHC 451, Healthcare Finance, IPHC 456, Leadership in the Healthcare Environment in the next semester. And then finally, take the capstone class, IPHC 457, Professional Capstone Course. Students in the Healthcare Administration major can choose to 1. Double major in Healthcare Informatics, the Information Management track, and complete their degree with the 120 credit hours. Or 2, they can take an 18 credit hour minor and 24 hours of free electives, or take 2 collaterals, which are 12 hours each, and then take 18 hours as electives. If you are interested in the MBA Healthcare Executive Management, it is strongly advised that you double major in Healthcare Informatics. The HCI Information Management track is for students who would like to analyze data. It is a strong mix of information systems, analytics, and management. Students in the Bachelor of Science in Healthcare Informatics Information Management track must complete many of the courses in Healthcare Administration. Those courses are in the red font. The classes shaded in green are Healthcare Informatics Information Management electives. Let's look at the first set of classes, Political Science 101 or 103, Sociology 201, Psychology 206 to 16, Math 111 or 121, and Econ 203 should be taken as general education requirements. Math 134, Probability and Statistics, and Psychology 302, Quantitative and Psychometric Methods, should be taken to build students' proficiencies in analytics. MIS 225, Modern Programming, and MIS 327, Information Systems Fundamentals, give you the core IT classes, and Management 351 gives you the core management class. Business 305, Applied Business Statistics, enhances your analytical skills, and MIS 337, Business Systems Analysis and Design, will complete your Information Systems curriculum. Once you finish Management 351, you can take Management 352, Organizational Behavior, and Management 353, Human Resource Management, as HCI electives. Finishing Business 305 will get you into the core of the informatics major, Management 355, Operations Management, and Management 373, Business Analytics. Once you finish Management 355, you can then complete Management 356, Process Improvement and Quality Control, and Management 357, Service Operations Management. The HCI Information Technology track is focused on students who would like to learn how to program and work in healthcare. Apart from the general education courses and healthcare administration courses in red font, the Information Technology track has all the classes in the Healthcare Informatics core, which was discussed in the Information Management track slide. In this slide, we will discuss only the HCIT electives. Computer Science 190 and the 190 Lab, or Introduction to Programming, will be your first introduction to programming. This and MIS 225, Modern Programming, will be good classes to use to decide whether you want to be in the HCI IT track or would prefer the HCI IM track. MIS 347 is the Business Data Communications course where you will learn about computer networks. MIS 447 is Database Management. MIS 467, E-Commerce Applications. All these MIS classes will improve your ability to work with technology and manipulate data. The computer science classes, Computer Science 226, Programming and Algorithm Design, 227, Programming and Algorithm Design 2, Computer Science 313, Systems Design and Development, and Computer Science 340, Software Design and Development, will help you become exceptional software engineers. This is also the minor in software engineering. Students who complete CS 190, CS 226, CS 277, CS 313, CS 340, and MIS 225 will get the software engineering minor along with the healthcare informatics information technology major. And they are strongly advised to take this route for their major. You will need 18 credit hours of HCIT electives to complete the major. To recap, the Bachelor's of Science in Healthcare Informatics Information Management track majors automatically get a second degree in Healthcare Administration. The Bachelor's of Science in Healthcare Administration majors can choose to double major in HCIM or do a minor or collateral and use the rest of the hours as electives. The Bachelor's of Science in Healthcare Informatics Information Technology track majors can get a minor in software engineering if they take MIS 225, Computer Science 190, Computer Science 226, Computer Science 227, Computer Science 313, Computer Science 340 as their IT electives. Healthcare informatics is a specialization that combines communications, information technology, and healthcare to improve patient care. It's at the forefront of the current technological shift in medicine, and it's redefining the industry. The different healthcare options offered by Francis Marion University are designed to launch you into an exciting and highly sought after profession.